I need a longer hose. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be finally fixing this POS truck. We're gonna actually put on, I got the gaskets. They're pretty cheap, $9 on Amazon. Oops, fuck. Fell down, no worries. And then, again, I'm putting my used water pump on it. Wish me luck. I hope it doesn't, you know, fuck up. But here we go, let's get going. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, let me get my light, hold on. Okay, so first thing I wanna do, check this out, is I'm gonna be peeling this off right here. I'm just gonna kinda get it with the blade, kinda clean it up a little. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Looks, hold on, spot here. Oh, it's full of dirt. All right, so just to introduce my dad. My dad's my camera guy today, just to let you know. Say hi, Jose.
Hi.
But here we go again. He's got a microphone too, so you might hear him in the background. Okay, so here we go. $9 pieces going on here in just a minute. Am I gonna clean it very good? Fuck, I don't give a shit if it leaks. I just wanna drive it. So as long as it holds water for a week, I've done my job for today. So let's get to it. I know this is the hard way, but I didn't buy silicone, so bear with me here. It'll get on. The 1, 2, 3 shorties go 2 on the left, 1 on the right, and then the long one goes right here between the pulley and this band here. Okay, now time to tighten this shit up. Tight. Tight. And tight, tight, tight. Water pump's on. Now to start putting all the accessories on it, hopefully it's fucking doesn't explode on me as it's going. Okay, there's that. Now, to adapt the alternator back on it. There's that. Now pop the alternator this way. Okay, so there's that. So now, the water pump, now let's go ahead and put the freaking fan on. That's a little one little shroud. I'm not putting the plastic thing on right now. Until later on, I don't need it yet. I don't need to put any parts that it doesn't need. As long as it doesn't overheat, I don't give a shit. Anyways, this job is boring. And my dad's being pretty boring. He's not talking to me at all.
No quieres que platique.
You said not to talk to you. I gotta take it off this damn pulley. Oops, I should have done it while it was in. There it goes. All right. Put the pulley on. Belt, where'd I put the belt? Same old crusty belt, I don't give a shit again. The belt's probably 30 years old. Now let's put the fan on. Boring in here, my dad's not talking to me at all. He's fucking quiet, dude. Here I complain about my brother working with me because he talks too much, and I got my dad here who doesn't fucking talk at all. It's like, don't worry, my 5 followers are the only ones watching it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm putting these bolts in right here. I actually took out the studs that it came with, and I'm putting them down. You see that? There's one of the holes right there. Yep, that's what I'm doing. And then we're gonna add some water and turn it on. Oh, actually, I gotta put the valve cover back on first so I don't leak oil everywhere. Okay, that. Now, you're gonna see me clamping these hoses back on. Do I got clamps? Did I get a clamp somewhere? Oh, it's right there, that's right there. Okay, it's there. It's there. This is not fun at all. Can't pass up a good deal. Cheap ass truck I could beat the hell out of. And not get my dad mad anymore for using his truck and getting it all messed up. Got my own freaking beater now. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the pipe on that I was gonna work on earlier, but I couldn't find the clamp, but I found it. Perfect fit. So that's what I'm tightening now, okay? And this light's battery's going dead, I think, because it keeps shutting off. So I'll just come back when it's done. Okay, well, now we just got to put the valve cover on and should be ready to turn on. Maybe take it out for a quick drive. Probably not. So now the valve cover. Nasty valve cover. Look at that. 1976, it's probably that old too. Look at that nasty shit. Ugh.
There's a gasket.
The gasket's already here.
Oh.
Should I take it off? No, I don't think so. There we go. Stove in.
Yeah.
I gotta get my tool, cayó abajo. Getting ready to turn this thing on now. Moment of truth. Oh, and I forgot to do one thing. Forgot to do one thing. Cable. This one here. Gotta connect it to the ground.
Oh, que va la tierra.
Yeah. Oops. All right. Now, moment of truth now. All right. Now we'll let it run for a while. We'll get some more water. I'll be right back. I need a longer hose. More water. Let's leave it on for about 15 minutes and we'll be back.
A few moments later.
Not leaking anymore. The ticking came back a little bit. I might have to go back in there and readjust all those valves because I kind of figured out, just did a quick job the other day just to make sure it was gonna quiet down. But next video, I'm gonna be putting all the ball joints on this thing and make sure it's finally rotor-V. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.